Well, everybody wanna have their glory. Everybody wanna tell their story. Let me go be young and dumb, thinking off that's auditory. Let the boy be well like Corey. I'll grow in time, but now is mine. This liquor so fine.
So tomorrow, me and some of my coworkers, some people I'm cool with, we're actually going out to Roy City tomorrow to do go-karting. I mean, we're gonna go tomorrow. We're gonna have fun. I'm looking forward to it. So I'll see y'all there. So I'm actually kind of taking a back seat on this one, relaxing a bit. It was kind of tiring, you know, being a sun and everything. So I got my water and everything. I'm passing on this race right here. I'm gonna be in the next one, so I'll show y'all what I see. It's pretty fun, everything. It's fun, it's exciting, but I just wanted to take a break and I passed on this next one. So I'll be in the next one and I'll show y'all what it's like. So each time you race, it's called a heat. We're on the third one right now. No, fourth one. And it's gonna be our fifth one, which is our final one. So I'm just kind of passing on for this one. But I'm gonna be in the next one. Doesn't matter how many times you go around, you go as fast as you want. It's just a 10-minute period. So with those 10 minutes, if you go around there 10 times, 20 times, you can do it. It's just, you know, you gotta be careful with spinning out, losing control, running into people, crashing, stuff like that. So it's pretty fun here. I'm enjoying myself. Let's try to see if we get a video of someone. See if we get someone that can spin out or something. There goes Eric. Also, just make sure you stay hydrated because it's 78, but it feels hotter. It's a little humid, but it's still breezy and windy. So make sure y'all stay hydrated. Last thing anyone wants is you passing out while you're behind the wheel of a go-kart, so that's pretty scary. So make sure you stay hydrated, okay? There it is, the end of the lap. And there it is, the end of the lap, everyone.
Why are you trying to turn it on? Huh? Why are you trying to turn it on? Trying to what? Oh, you're not my favorite. Get it. You're not favorite. That's just weight clean left there.